नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself, JVN Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about homeopathic therapeutics of benign prostatic hyperplasia, that is in short called as BPH. So our first choice of medicine is Sabal-Cerulata. This is one of the top grade homeopathic medicines for benign prostatic hyperplasia. Let's see what are the symptoms related to Sabal-Cerulata. There are many symptoms that guide for use of Sabal-Cerulata. The first among them is difficulty and pain at the start of urination. The person also experiences a frequent desire to pass urine at night. This dribbling urine is another problem. Aching pain in prostate that extend to abdomen is another symptom indicating for prescription of this medicine. Retention of urine from prostate enlargement can also be treated well with Sabal-Cerulata. It is also the treatment for emission of prostatic fluid during stool or urination. Last but not the least, homeopathic medicine Sabal-Cerulata is it effectively treats the complaint of erectile dysfunction from enlarged prostate. Next medicine is Conium maculatum. It is an excellent homeopathic medicine for interrupted urine flow in benign prostatic hyperplasia. So it is extremely effective medicine for BPH. A major indication for use of Conium mag is interrupted urine flow from enlarged prostate. Here the urine starts and stops several times before completing the voiding. After passing urine, there is burning pain and it may be felt in the urethra. Then next medicine is Cantharis and Sarsaparilla. Both these medicines are used for burning pain while passing urine in benign prostatic hyperplasia. So Cantharis and Sarsaparilla are the top rated homeopathic medicine for burning pain while passing urine in BPH. Cantharis is prescribed if the burning in urethra is felt before, during and after passing the urine. There is also constant desire to pass urine in such cases. In some cases, the scalding sensation is extreme with passing of the urine in drops. Homeopathic medicine Sarsaparilla officinalis is taken when there is severe burning pain at the conclusion of urination. Then an important medicine, Lycopodium clavatum. It is a wonderful homeopathic medicine for frequent urination at night from benign prostatic hyperplasia. And beside frequent urination at night due to enlarged prostate, another guiding feature for use of Lycopodium is the need to wait to start urinating. In short, a person who needs Lycopodium passes scanty urine during the daytime and suffers profuse urination at night. Then another medicine, Barretta-Carb. It is one of the most useful homeopathic medicine for dribbling urine due to benign prostatic hyperplasia. It is known to effectively treat the problem of dribbling after urination in benign prostatic hyperplasia. Another indication for using Barretta-Carb in BPH is sudden urge to urinate with the inability to retain the urine. The urine may be scanty or burning while passing urine may also be observed. Then an important medicine again is Thuja. In case of marked urgency to urinate in benign prostatic hyperplasia, Thuja occidentalis is the most appropriate homeopathic prescription. The urine stream is small, frequent urge to pass urine may be present, burning or cutting pain while urinating may be observed, and Thuja occidentalis also effectively treat involuntary urination at night. So that's it from the today's presentation. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.